Isang tanong, diretsong sagot. Pwede ba yung GCash, Paymaya, and other e-wallet sa Pilipinas gamitin pang withdraw sa kita mo sa WAP? Tara, sasagutin natin yan ng diretso dito sa video na to. Kaya panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Hey, what's up guys? Once again, this is Kuya R and welcome back to our channel. Sa mga bago pa lang sa ating channel, pinag-uusapan natin dito patungkol sa video clipping, WAP clipping, and any other clipping platforms, YouTube automation, content creation, and any other related topics. Kung interested ka sa mga ganitong usapan, then you are in the right video. Kaya naman, sasagutin natin yung palaging tinatanong ng mga tao regarding sa payout dito sa WAP. Since nandito ka naman lang, huwag kalimutan i-like and share yung video na to. And kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong klaseng usapan, then please consider subscribing. Click the notification bell para laging updated sa mga bagong videos natin. Alright, simulan na natin. So yun nga mga ka-clippers, laging tinatanong, pwede ba GCash, pwede ba Paymaya? Diretsong sagot, hindi. Hindi pwede yung GCash and Paymaya. Kasi nakadepende yan sa payout providers dito sa WAP, kagaya ng PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, tsaka kasama na rin yung crypto. So kung nagki-crypto ka, pwede yan dito. So kung meron kang bank account, pwede yan dito. So kung meron kang PayPal, pwede yan dito. Kung meron kang Stripe, pwede yan dito. So yun lang yun. So from PayPal, pwede ka mag-transfer to GCash. From bank account, pwede ka mag-transfer to GCash. So, ang mangyayari, dadaan muna sa second payment channel yung inyong withdrawal. So, hindi direktang mawi-withdraw gamit yung GCash or yung Paymaya. So, ganito kasi yung proseso ng pag-withdraw mga Lodi. So, disclaimer lang mga Lods, yung video na to is for educational purposes only. At yung mga pinapakita nating values dito is not real mga Lods, and this is just for illustration purposes mga Lodi. Alright mga Lods, buksan na natin yung WAP natin para makipakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-set up ng payout method mga Lods. Okay? So dito sa pinaka-screen nyo mga Lods, ito yung pinaka-homepage. Kapag bubuksan nyo yung inyong WAP, especially kapag nakapag-sign up ka na mga Lods, no? So mga hindi pa nakapag-sign up, mag-sign up muna kayo dyan. Kung nakapag-sign up ka na, ayan, nandito ka sa homepage mo. So yung nandito sa gilid, itong mga tabs na to, ito yung mga clipping agencies na napasukan natin or nakapag-join na tayo. Tapos sa mga bago, hindi nyo pa ito makikita, ito mga tabs na to. Yung makikita nyo lang is etong apat na to. Home, Search, Discover, taka, etong Start Business. Ang i-click nyo dyan sa mga bago is Discover. Tapos, papupunta kayo sa mga campaigns. Okay? Mamimili kayo ng campaigns doon. Magjo-join kayo ng campaigns. Tapos, kapag nakapag-join na kayo ng campaigns, matic na yan, join na kayo doon sa clipping agency. Tapos, kagaya nito, Clip Farm, Virality, The Clip Ship. So, maraming iba't ibang campaigns na available doon under this clipping agency. So, bawat isa niyan, maraming mga campaigns na nakapaloob dyan. Alright, so much for that one kasi yung topic natin ito eh. So ngayon, para makapag-set up tayo, click nyo lang itong nasa gilid, itong profile pic, itong top right corner ng inyong screen. Click nyo yan. Yan. Sa mga gumagamit ng mobile phones, magkakaroon din tayo ng tutorial para sa mga mobile phones to. Ito, PC muna yung papakita ko sa inyo ngayon. Okay? Tapos click mo itong gear icon. Kita nyo yan, yung gear icon, click mo yan. Mapupunta ka ngayon dito sa pinaka-profile mo. Okay? Na pwede mong i-edit yung mga info mo. Nandyan na siya. Tapos, ngayon, i-click mo yung payment methods. Ayan. Kita mo yan. Payment methods. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano palitan kasi yung cursor natin eh. I mean, alam ko, pero mamaya. Ayan. So, eto. Under notification, itong payment methods. I mean, below notification. Click mo lang yung payment methods. Kapag click mo yung payment methods, mapupunta tayo ngayon dito. So, ayan. Mapupunta tayo ngayon dito. Ayan. So, eto. So, dyan nakikita nyo, meron na kasi tayong na-set up na payment method. Etong dalawang to. Etong isa is yung Visa natin. Tapos, itong isa naman is yung Mastercard natin. Okay? So, meron ng dalawa dyan. Ang gagawin nyo na lang is i-click itong Add Payment Method. Kapag i-click nyo yan, mapupunta kayo dito. Dito. Ayan. So, pwede nyo i-enter yung mga informations doon sa ginamit yung card. Either virtual or physical card, pwede nyo ilagay dyan. Okay? So, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung ibang option, which is yung PayPal. Tapos yung, ilagay nyo lang yung informations dyan. Yan. Once nalagay nyo na yung informations, ganito na yung magiging itsura niya. Yan, makikita nyo. So, ganyan na yung magiging itsura niya. So, nakalagay na yan dyan. Ngayon, kapag magpi-payout na kayo, punta na kayo dito sa pinaka-balance nyo. Click nyo yung balance, eto dito. Tapos, mapupunta kayo sa balance page. Makikita nyo yung balance nyo dito. Tapos, yung deposit and yung withdraw. Tapos, after that, click nyo lang itong withdraw option. Yan. Tapos, magpa-pop up itong page na to. So, yun guys. Tapos, dito naman guys, ayan, pwede na kayo mag-select kung ilan yung i-withdraw niyo. Tapos, merong minimum payout. Mapapansin nyo, 11.70 yung minimum payout nila guys dito sa WOP. So, of course, hindi ka makakapag-payout kung hindi mo marireach itong minimum payout requirements nila. And after that, you can just select all the information, then process the withdrawal. And once pumasok na ito sa inyong mga PayPal or bank account, mas okay pag bank account kasi diretso na. Pero kapag pumasok ito sa PayPal, you can transfer it then directly to your PayMaya or GCash or any e-wallet dito sa Pinas, guys. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Alright, some of you may ask, Kuya R, bakit walang PayPal? You just show us the bank account payout method. And how about the PayPal and the Strip? Our account doesn't have any PayPal option. Probably because we are in the Philippines. And another reason, it's not yet available. Probably there are some certain requirements that we don't know yet that would give us that option. So, supposedly, ganito kasi dapat yan. Meron siyang additional payment method doon sa setup. So, yung ano lang natin doon is add a payment method, which is wala siyang additional payment method for PayPal and for Strip and for other payment methods. For some other countries, meron sila available na add additional payment method. And for some accounts, especially if we are clippers, so sa mga clippers, usually yung dashboard natin wala talaga yung option ng PayPal. And for business account, yung mga merong business account in WOP, so meron silang available for additional because ito yung ginagamit na isang channel to pay for their products. As I've mentioned in my previous videos, that WOP is actually not a clipping platform before. It's a marketplace platform where people do buy and sell their digital products and any other digital products. So that's the reason why we don't have PayPal, but if there's available PayPal, here's the option on how to do it. So in our page, we do have another workaround for crypto, so we will be tackling that one on the next video, including the PayPal and all that stuff. But anyway, this is just for now and hope you learned something from it. And sa mga merong PayPal dyan, don't worry kasi meron namang workaround to do it. And I will tackle that one again on the next video. But for now, eto lang muna yung option natin. Don't worry because if you have GCash or PayMaya, you can actually apply for a virtual card. So probably we will do that one on the next video. But yeah, once you have that virtual card, you can actually use that one here. Okay. Again, this is Kuya R and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any questions, just drop a comment below. And you can also join our community server. You can find the link on our bio. And our next topic will be YouTube automation. So it's not only video clipping or WAP clipping, guys. So we will also talk about YouTube automation, how to get 1K subscribers in 2 weeks, guys. So that is also based on our experience. So if you are interested to learn about it, then please consider subscribing and please click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga bagong videos. Again, this is Kuya R and see you on the next one.